Just Sawdust workshop. I've made a little lamp, light fixture, whatever you call it, from the last two brass cups in the series of recycling that broken chandelier. These brass cups were the last two that were usable. Took a piece of PVC pipe and the 5 candles to put the bulbs in, made it all into one piece, and well, now I could put everything together, put the candles in, that would be it, but that's not the idea. I've got something in my mind that I want to try out, so let's see if that works. These lights are much too bright, and they're only 4 watts, so they're the smallest one I could get. But I'm going to ask Miriam whether I can use some of her glass paint, and I want to paint them red and yellow, so let's see if she has some. Some glass paint probably, so it's time to do the experiment. Let's see if that works. Well, I think this worked. I've got to take off all the little threads, but I have to let it dry now. And yeah. I like the result. Red hot glue. And the good thing is that the sockets, what do you call them in English, are also glued now, so they can't come out anymore. So the last thing we have to do is see if we can paint those light bulbs. is ready. And because of the I don't know, the frequency of the lights, you see them like they're real candles, but that's only because of the camera. Well, a strange lamp, table lamp, maybe to put on, I don't know. I just see a dungeon for me, like, you know, a dark place where this would bring light. So, yeah, crazy thing, and the experiment with the hot glue in color actually worked, and that's giving more ideas. So this was number 4 from the chandelier, and the only thing I've got left is this brass. Well, it's already a vase by itself, but have to do something with that, and a few little parts like this ring and this thing which made it hang on the ceiling. But I can put that in my other stuff, that will come in handy at some other time. But still have to make something with this, otherwise I can't get another item from the attic. So that's it for now. Yeah, it's crazy. See you in the next video. At the logo.